True luxury doesn't start in a boutique. It begins in the blood. We reject 90% of what comes through these doors. To recognize exceptional material, you need eyes shaped by years of experience. Compromise at this stage ruins the final masterpiece. Raw materials demand patience, precision, and immense mechanical power to transform.
Beneath the chaos, a smooth, blank canvas is finally revealed.
Uniformity is essential. Every surface is refined to exact specifications. Alchemy takes over. We dissolve the biological bonds. We change its very DNA under extreme heat.
In the trade, we call this the wet blue. The transformation has officially begun. Thousands of pounds of pressure extract the toxic water.
A blade, spinning at terrifying speeds, splits the hide into two distinct lives. Perfection requires immense sacrifice. We return the natural oils, feeding the dry leather until it darkens. From brutality, we extract absolute beauty. Craftsmanship today is a marriage of ancient hands and modern algorithms. Craftsmanship today is a marriage of ancient hands and modern algorithms. Mechanical waves massage the stiffness out, restoring flexibility. Time and friction. That's how you build true character. Aerospace precision ensures not a single square millimeter is wasted. The final seal of approval before it leaves the heavy industry behind. The noise of the factory ends. The silence of the craft begins. Unrolling the canvas, every hide tells a different story.
Mapping the minefield. We navigate around every microscopic flaw. The most important hand skill in leathercraft, the flawless cut.
62 individual pieces must harmonize into one final vision.
Shaving the edges to paper-thin tolerances for a seamless fold.
Hidden architecture. The unseen bonds that hold luxury together.
Details no one will ever notice, executed flawlessly anyway. We pierce the hide with brutal force to prepare for the thread. A machine can sew 1,000 bags a day. A master sews one. Sealing the raw edges with liquid armor. We destroy our own perfect work, just to build it back better. Melting pure beeswax to lock out the elements forever.
Raw metal enters the fold. Grinding away the dullness until we find the mirror beneath. Once the brass is set, it will outlast the person who made it. Identity is burned deeply into the skin, never just painted on. The illusion shatters. Shaping heavy leather is a physical war. The moment of truth. If a single stitch is weak, the entire bag explodes. Precision fit. Like the parts of a luxury engine. Like the parts of a luxury engine. Intense heat erases the memory of the struggle. Pulling a glass-like shine from the depths of the grain.
Searching for a single reason to reject it.
From the dark it came, and to the dark it returns, until you open it. True luxury isn't made, it's earned.